My name is Corey, and I'm a laser intern and an AP Aesthetics student. I'm here. I've been a cosmetologist for over 12 years now, and so really love that industry and enjoy one-on-one with clients, and I'm very results driven. So I really wanted something new and exciting, and as I age and was researching things for my clients and for my own skin concerns, I just found the skincare industry fascinating and really interesting. So I started looking around and found this place, and really liked that they offered lasers and as well as the advanced practice aesthetics, because I really think the medical side of the aesthetics industry is just really interesting and very results driven. My confidence, yeah, I love to learn. So this type of education where it's fast paced and they go really in depth, and we get a lot of experience hands-on, really attracted me because I would love that as I go into the field to have experience. To build my confidence in working with clients and getting a job and that sort of thing. So I would say that it's definitely built my confidence too. It's been a long time since I've been in school of any sort. So coming back to school, I was a little nervous, like, can I do this? Can I reinvent myself? Can I still learn quickly and efficiently? And yeah, it's been really great. I am really excited for the AP portion of aesthetics. I love the high frequency. I'm really excited about using microneedling and PRP. That's something that other schools don't offer. So I already went through phlebotomy and really enjoyed that class as well. So I'm really excited to see how we use the PRP with the microneedling. That's something I'm really excited about. And I've really enjoyed the lasers too. I don't know, there's something weirdly satisfying about laser hair removal, or yeah, seeing someone have those instant results it's really fun and satisfying. Yeah, I'd love to work in a med spa or dermatology office starting out, just to really learn and grow and get some good experience by people who are more knowledgeable in the field, and where I would come across a lot of different types of skin types and diseases or different scenarios. So and then maybe someday I'd like to open up my own place and kind of see where that goes. Maybe even now that I know that I like the medical side of things, maybe even someday go back and get my nursing and do that kind of thing with injectables and stuff too. So we'll see.